Hi, this is Monica Nancy from second year ECE. I'm going to explain about eutrophication. Eutrophication is the process in which a water body becomes overly enriched with nutrients, leading to plentiful growth of simple plant life. The excessive growth of algae and plankton in water body are indicators of this process. Eutrophication is considered to be a serious environment concern since it offers result to the deterioration of water quality and the depletion of dissolved oxygen in water bodies. Eutrophic waters can eventually become dead zones that are incapable of supporting life. Causes of eutrophication. The availability of nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus limits the growth of plant life in an ecosystem. When water bodies are overly enriched with these nutrients, the growth of algae, plankton, and other simple plant life is favored over the growth of more complex plant life. Then we have to see about eutrophication in Coimbatore Lake. Coimbatore, the second largest city in Tamil Nadu, has 36,579 industrial units, of which 2,462 units are within city limit. The growing industrialization and rise in population pose considerable strain on basic amenities of the city. The city faces serious scarcity of water, is drought prone, and has maximum number of bore wells in the country. The river Noyel, formerly a perennial one, flows through the city. Currently, there are 22 lakhs present in and around the city, largely fed by Noyel and act as a storage percolation tanks. The privileging drainage and sewage in the city are open type joining these lakes, the river Noyel without any prior treatment. Canal feeding the lake projectly acted as a drainage source and served as a storm water drain for the city. The river, a monsoonal one during lean month, goes dry, thus serving as a dumping yard for garbage and industrial waste. Moreover, many of these wetlands are also in part being used as dumping yards, and in the danger of completing filling is due course. The present study was undertaken to assess the pollution state of wetlands in Coimbatore. Economic development is acceleration, the change in the land use pattern and land cover conservation almost throughout India at an unprecedented rate. Wetland and lakes, especially those situated in the vicinity of urban centers, have been facing rapid degradation due to liquor or solid waste disposal, filling and reclamation, real estate ventures, and industrial development. Coimbatore, a rapidly developing city in the western part of Tamil Nadu, has several wetlands and lakes in and around limits. The city, wanting facilities for treatment of industrial, municipality, domestic, and hospital waste, has open drainage and sewage system without any prior treatment joining these lakes. These lakes receive sewage waste along with the effluents from dyeing industries through various channels. In view of the findings, recognize the various ecological services these wetlands offer to the city and its environs. Regular monitoring of disposal of solid, liquid waste, and sewage discharge is imperative for their conservation. Conclusion: excessive nutrients enrichment is the root cause of eutrophication, which has many negative repercussions on aquatic system. Although lakes and rivers naturally receive nutrients input from their catchment under the atmosphere, many human activities have accelerated and are accelerating the eutrophication problem through. For example, sewage inflows, runoff from agriculture fleets and industrial effluents. Some of the symptoms include excessive growth of algae and aquatic macrophytes. The prevention of excessive input of the nutrients is hardly achievable, since most of its form non-point source and derives from many extended source. The problem of eutrophication is still very actual, and research is still being developed to reduce the water bodies pollution caused by algal growth. Thank you.